Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the exact image or live wallpaper you want and placing it where the system can find it. Choose a file that matches your screen resolution so it won't stretch. This prevents blurring and wasted CPU when scaling. Once done, confirm the format. Static image formats are simplest. Animated files may require codecs or a helper app. Make sure you have permission to use the file and that it's not in cloud-only state so the OS can load it instantly. Next, open the personalization controls for your OS and navigate to the desktop background panel. You choose the image and a position mode. Fill preserves aspect ratio while covering the screen. Fit shows entire image with possible borders. Once you select the image, assign it to a specific monitor or span across displays depending on your layout. If you want rotation, enable a scheduled change or dynamic theme so the system swaps images automatically without manual updates. Finally, confirm the new background and test by locking or logging out and back in. Sometimes the OS needs that trigger to redraw. If the image appears blurry or cropped, convert it to the native resolution or adjust the display scaling setting so text and images render correctly. If the wallpaper won't update, restart the display process or reset the graphics driver. Clearing the desktop cache often fixes stuck images. One key troubleshooting step is to check for cloud placeholders.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.